Hi, this is Annette from needlepointers.com, and I have a quick tip on bobbin storage ideas when you're traveling to a quilt retreat or classes. Normally I store my bobbins in a bobbin case, but sometimes when traveling I do not want to take all the bobbins with me. I place the bobbins I need in foam toe separators, the kind used for pedicures. The bobbins stay securely in place and the threads will not unravel. Did you enjoy this quick tip? Please like, share, and comment. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and following us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google+. To follow us, click the iCard to our website or the link in the description below. Also visit our website needlepointers.com for sewing tutorials and free projects.